Biggie on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to come on before I start doing my product review and show you the results of my wash and go that I did today, and the product that I will be reviewing as well as doing a demo for is the Do Grow Mega Thick Intensive Repair Deep Treatment. And this video is in collaboration with a beautiful, bright young lady by the name of Sunny. You can find her YouTube channel link in the description box below. To also put a pop-up of her video here so you guys can take a look at that. She did a review of the same product here, and she also did the Do Grow oil as well, review as well on her channel. So definitely check out her channel, like her video, subscribe. She is an awesome new YouTuber, and she has a lot of great reviews on her channel, so check her out. I also want to give a big shout out and a thank you to the creator of my new intro. He goes by DimeandBiggie. I'm going to put his information in the description box as well. You can find him on Instagram at DimeandBiggie. He also has a YouTube channel, and he is an amazing cartoonist. He has wonderful instrumental beats that are great for intros. He will help you to set up your intro. Just let him know what you're looking for. He is an amazing person. He does amazing work, and I just want to give him a huge shout out and much respect to him and all of the work that he is doing. So let's get started with the video. Shampooed hair. I had to shampoo before I started adding the intensive repair, mainly because I had my hair in a ponytail for the last couple of days, and I had a lot of styling gel in it, so I needed to rinse that out and start off on clean hair. So now we're going to apply the intensive repair. This is to thicken the hair and help grow the hair strong. And I'm into any products that can help strengthen the hair. As you know, I have more thinner textured hair, and I'm looking for products that will work to help strengthen my strands. So this product has a great smell, which I remember it having from before. It is medium thickness, as you can see here. And I'm going to start on one side of my head and work from the front to the back, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side of my hair as well. So I'm going to take the hair and split it in half. And I'm going to work on this section first. way my hair feels. It feels really soft and moisturized. I think this is definitely a repair treatment that I'm going to continue to use, and I kind of wish that I had used it right after I had did those horrible mini twists that kind of thinned my hair out a little bit. But I'm definitely going to continue to use this product in my hair. I love the way that it made my hair feel, very nice and soft and moisturized. My curls look great, even though I haven't added any other products to my hair right now, but I know that I will have a very successful wash and go. I am definitely going to show you some pictures of what my hair looks like after I put my other products in, but my final review is that this product here is wonderful.